Lauren is
This
having
is
her first solid food.
Solid food.
Open your mouth so she sees what to do. Now on the roof of her mouth.
Most pediatricians recommend pizza as the first one.
How's it going? Look at that.
She's doing great. You're doing great.
Is this delicious, Lauren?
This is so good.
Lots of background noise from the peanut gallery.
Here we go. One more.
I think she likes to eat, Mommy.
Oh.
Oh, she's doing great.
Boy, you look so happy. She's doing great with it.
She is.
Yeah, you ready
Andrew,
for
look
more?
how cute she is.
I see, it's amazing.
Amazing. Hi.
She looks like she's a pro.
Oh, she wants more.
Who would know this was
She's
her
doing the
first
head
time?
shake.
You ready? All right. Good job. More? More? I don't know if we like it. More? Here we go. More? Do I have to feed you all of this?
Let's see. Try to scrape on the top of her mouth.
She's a yenta.
There you go.
That's what they say. It's what's even birth plus, Mom. Oh, you ready for more? Ready for more? There we go. Yum. More? There we go.
It is a lot of work, huh?
Is this a son you like? Okay. Oh, this is easier than nursing. Hi, Alan. Lauren,
Hi, Lauren.
Hi.
How are you?
Mwah.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Hi. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat, 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 Shabbat shalom.
She speaks Hebrew.
Yeah. Shabbat.